exploring the planets in our solar system.
By Rebecca Allen.
The solar system. A solar system is made up of a star and the objects that circle it. The largest of these objects are planets. The sun is the star at the center of our solar system. 8 planets circle the sun in paths called orbits. The planets closest to the sun are called inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are outer planets. They are not as close to the sun, therefore they're hotter.
Seriously?
No.
They're colder.
The inner planets are made of rock. The outer planets are made mostly of gas. Dun 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 dun. Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. The sun's heat can make Mercury very hot. Parts of Mercury's surface facing the sun can reach more than 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I need a fan. That's 430 degrees Celsius. However, the side of Mercury that faces away from the sun gets very cold. The temperature there can fall to about negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit, also known as negative 184 degrees Celsius. Mercury is covered with craters. These craters were made by meteorites and asteroids that crashed into Mercury. The biggest craters are called basins. Calorus Basin is the largest basin on Mercury. It is more than 800 miles. That's 1,287 kilometers wide. There is no water on Mercury, but there is ice inside some of the planet's craters. Dun 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 dun. Venus. The planet Venus is one of the brightest objects in the night sky. Venus is so bright because it is covered by a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Gas. Oh. This atmosphere reflects or shines back most sunlight that reaches it. The light that gets through Venus's atmosphere is trapped inside it. This makes it Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is the second planet from the sun. What number is Venus? Second from the sun. Most of Venus's surface is covered in rock made by volcanoes. Volcanoes are mountains that shoot out melted rock, also known as lava.
Not lava.
Venus's atmosphere traps sunlight and makes the planet very hot. Its temperature reaches about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, also known as 482 degrees Celsius. Shh. You could cook a lot of pizzas on Venus. What planet is that? I don't either. Crazy people putting some random planet in Earth! Earth is our solar system's third planet. It It orbits 91 million miles, also known as 146 million kilometers from the sun. Earth's orbit takes about 365 days, or 1 year. As it orbits the sun, Earth spins around once every 24 hours. How many hours?
24, that's a whole day.
This spinning causes day and night. Earth has everything needed for life. Earth's atmosphere holds oxygen, a gas animals need to breathe. Its atmosphere also keeps Earth from getting too hot or too cold. Over half of Earth's surface is covered by water. This is important because all animals and plants need water to
Live.
Water is very important for Earth. The first living things were formed in the ocean.
Earth.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that looks like something you would leave in a toilet, Kylie.
No, it isn't.
Mars is known as the red planet because of its many red rocks. These rocks are red because they have iron oxide or rust in them. The planet Mars is named after Mars, the Roman god of war, because of the planet's red color. This is because red is the color of blood and war is bloody. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It has how many? What's the number? What's the number this planet is from the sun?
Do it.
How far away is Mars from the sun?
1,000.
No. Which number in the planet order?
1,000.
Okay, let me reread that.
4.
Okay. It has many craters and volcanoes. Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars. It's the tallest known mountain in the solar system. Most of Mars is dry and rocky, but it has ice at its 2 poles. Olympus Mons, shown above, is 17 miles, also known as 27 kilometers tall. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Jupiter is larger than all the other planets put together. It measures about 88,846 miles, or that's 142,984 kilometers in diameter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. Is the what planet from the sun?
5th.
And the first of the outer planets. What of the outer planets?
First.
Jupiter is made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. Yellow, red, and brown stripes called belts and zones ring the planet. The belts and zones are made from clouds of gas and ice. Jupiter is a stormy planet. One large storm is called the Great Red Spot.
Oh, and there's a great blue, a great dark.
This storm has lasted for at least 300 years. 300 years. Okay, so how long has this red storm been going?
300 years.
The Great Red Spot.
Spot.
It's like
Dark
looking
spot.
up Jupiter's butthole.
Ooh.
The Great Red Spot is the largest storm in our solar system. It is at least 2 times wider than Earth.
Later.
Saturn. The 6th planet from the sun is Saturn. Saturn is almost 2 times as far from the sun as Jupiter.
Part 2 is coming after.
No, Uranus. Uranus is the only planet to spin on its side because it was hit by a big giant rock. There's 84 years to orbit the sun. Oh God, I gotta hurry. Okay, Neptune. Neptune is covered by clouds of methane gas. The methane gas gives Neptune a blue color. Looks purple to me. Neptune is a windy planet. And that was it. Oh, Pluto and other dwarf planets. A band of icy rocks called the Kuiper Belt lies past Neptune. Pluto is one of the objects in the Kuiper
Prices
Belt. People
coming
used
later.
to consider Pluto a planet, but not anymore. That was speed reading.